In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an expense report by customer in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful if you want to see exactly how much you've spent on a particular client or project, especially when you need to bill those expenses back or just understand your profitability by customer. Let's start inside your QuickBooks Online company file. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the navigation panel. From here, click on the Reports menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of your standard and custom reports, and it's the best place to begin when you need specific financial information. Once you're on the Reports page, go to the search bar near the top. In that bar, start typing Transaction List by Customer. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest matching reports. When you see Transaction List by Customer appear, click on it to open the report. By default, this report will show a variety of transactions for all customers, but we're going to customize it so it becomes a focused expense report. In the upper right corner of the report, click the Customize button. This opens a panel with several sections that let you refine what the report shows. To narrow this report down to one specific customer, go to the Filter section. In the Filter tab, look for the option labeled Customer. Open the drop-down list, then scroll and select the customer you want to analyze. This tells QuickBooks to only include transactions related to that one customer instead of your entire customer list. Next, we want to make sure we're only seeing billable expenses. Still in the Filter section, find the Transaction Type option. Check that box, then from the drop-down that appears, select Billable Expense Charge. This is what focuses the report strictly on those expenses that you've marked as billable to your customer. Now set the time frame for your report. At the top of the customization panel, or near the top of the report, choose your report period. You can pick a preset range like this month, last month, this year, or enter custom start and end dates if you're working with a specific project period. Once your customer filter, transaction type, and report period are all set, click the Run Report button. QuickBooks will refresh the page and show you a transaction list that reflects only billable expenses for that selected customer within the chosen date range. If you like this setup and want to reuse it later, you can save yourself time by turning it into a custom report. At the top of the report, click Save Customization. Give your report a clear, descriptive name that you'll recognize next time and save it. From now on, you'll be able to access this customized Expense by Customer report directly from your Custom Reports tab in the Reports menu without having to rebuild the filter.